Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video is about waterfall lamp for home decor. Very beautiful showpieces for indoor and outdoor as you see in this picture. I bring for you beautiful gorgeous images of waterfall lamp and different style and different design. These are different types of waterfall lamp for home decor. As you watch this video, all are very beautiful design of waterfall lamp. As you watch, these are the string lights design or artificial grass or flower lamp waterfall. Different are water fountain as you see in this video. Some are include table lamps, also include different types of waterfall lamps. Different are heart shape and chandelier, and some are pendant light as you see in these images. The other are also for decor of a home. For home decor, different types of waterfall lights include in this video. Some are a bubble type, some of are Charlie and Art Deco. Different types of these waterfall lamps include in this video. I hope you like these. These are very beautiful water lamps. Some are waterfall night lamp, waterfall showpiece for home decoration like fountain night lamp, and these look awesome. In this video there are about 30 showpieces of nightfall lamp as you see in this video. Different type of waterfall lamps picture which look very beautiful as you see in this video. After this you also select different types of lamp for your home for decoration. In this video you see and watch this video, a lot of waterfall lamps include in different style and in design. I hope you like. Please like and share it with your friends.